Alright. What is up, everyone? See if this is all working. Alright. Alright, there we go. Alright, what's up? See if it's working. Alright. Okay, think we're working. Alright, oh, what's up, what's up? What's up, Nickelodeon? Alright, I think we're working. Alright, there we go. There we go. It's all good. Alright. So, what's up? Strings. Okay, it might be. Alright, let's stop that. See how that's looking. What's up, Bendy the Trademaker? Alright, so this is Rubedo. Oh, what's up? Thanks for being a subscriber. Member too. Okay, so I think Paradox X million to cheat. Yes. Are you guys able to see at this? Oh, it's going to be free. Yeah, so everyone can join. It's gonna be Rubedo. So Rubedo is a separate thing, but I'm working on it. I own Rubedo, but it's going to be a separate thing off of me. So yeah, it's going to hopefully be the best anti-cheat. Can you guys see the text good well, or should I zoom it in a little bit more? Let me know. Okay, because I'm gonna do. There might be a little bit of buffering, which I'm seeing. Not liking a lot. Yeah, so there's a little bit that. Let's see how this looks. Okay. How's that? You guys able to see the text good? Make something that can ban players with toolbox name. Yeah. Hopefully Rubedo is gonna be pretty advanced. Hopefully. There's a lot of things. I made an announcement last night in the Discord. If you guys are not in it, that's a problem. Probably need to be in it. It's in the description of this video if you want to join. But yeah, I made an announcement, and it basically showed the Rubedo Discord, so we can hop into that. And basically, I've been doing a little bit of streaming. I mean, not streaming, but working on Rubedo by itself right now. So that's why I'm streaming now. So we're working on a little bit of Rubedo as we're in the stream. So I'm going to pop that over back to the side. And okay, so basically what I was working on first was a inventory viewer. But I kind of want to switch over, instead of we doing this right now, more of a region thing. So a world, what's it called? So I'm going to hold up. Modules, commands. All right, let's remove in viewer. We're gonna make that, but not right now, because that's really not the best. All right, so the big thing that's gonna be happening with Rubedo compared to any other anti-cheat or just anything that's just like super good is we're gonna have a region command. And so region command is basically world guard. So the big thing Rubedo is going to have is world guard protection. So basically what that means is I can go on a command and do dash region add from position 1 right here and we can do position 2 all the way over there. And then you can protect an entire spawn or entire region, just completely protected by the anti-cheat. So it will stop all explosions in there. It will stop all blocks being placed. It will stop off all that stuff, all the bad stuff being happening in that region, and basically protect everything and anything from happening in that region, which is very, very cool. But it's also a big, it has to do a lot with memory. So it's going to take a lot of, flipping quit Minecraft. It's going to take a lot of performance to get this thing right and working well to release. So let's say if anyone wants to hop on, I'm going to be into Rubedo Call General. If you guys want to hop on the general chat, and you can talk in here. It should be able to pick up your voice. Yeah, so hop in the general chat if anyone's here. Okay, and yeah, so that will be issues or anti-cheat. No, so it's not just going to be normal anti-cheat. There's gonna be a lot of new things that you haven't seen. Well, the Bedrock community hasn't seen in an anti-cheat yet, which is gonna be a big thing. Is Minecraft done? No, Minecraft is not done. There's some issues right now, really causing me not being able to upload it right now, but it's going to be out soon, hopefully. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on region. So basically, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be able to create a we're gonna need to create a region model. So basically, what this does is I'm gonna delete all that. So we're gonna do export class region. Yeah, so export class region. So this is basically going to be the region of the game. So constructor. So this is basically just a database to a model constructor. So ever since No Realm Safe community come back, I stopped playing. Yeah, it's really not fun anymore. They've really hit the realms and everything really bad, and No Realm Safe is just not makes anything fun. So hopefully Rubedo can help protect against all this and just help protect against everything, and hopefully it'll be back faster. We're gonna have some more people working on Rubedo, like iBlazed, he's gonna be working on it, and hopefully we can get what's his face, Visual Impact in here. He'll be a big guy. But so region db to region model constructor. So basically each region's going to need something, and okay, so basically what I'm going to be doing with this is we're actually going to need a region command first. So let's go into moderation commands, region. So it creates a region. Let's do adds a new protection region from X to name of the region. Okay, and that's an optional. Yeah, so we'll do from X from. Okay, so we're gonna actually need 2 of these. Since Y is not included in that, it basically collects all of that. So 2X. So basically, this protects from all the way from the lowest point of Y's all the way to the highest point of Y's. So it's really really good protection. Okay, so let's say we're doing something like that, and actually region is going to be creates a new region to store in DB. So we're gonna do constructor as from X, or actually we're gonna need an object from 2, and that's basically gonna be param object. We're gonna need actually type define object region chords, something like that. Then we're gonna do property number. So basically what I'm doing is I'm creating a JS doc type define for region chords. So basically they can import region chords into here. So from number, that'll be x, the x chord of this region chord, and then property number y, the y chord of this, the y chord. Let's just do that. So basically that's going to define what these are, region chords too. Then we can do this dot from equals from this dot to equals 2. And actually we're going to open up Spotify back up. Okay. And with this, we're actually going to need a region database. So I don't know if we have one. Oh, we do. Okay, good. Let's do something like key. So that would be null. Any. So we're gonna do star. The key of this database, this region. If null, creates new. Okay, so then we're gonna do an if key. So if there's a key, we do nothing. So actually, if there's not a key, we're gonna want to do db db regions dot set. Key will be, actually we'll do this dot key is equal to key question mark. So if there's a key, then we'll just use key. If there's not a key, then we're gonna do date dot now dot to string. Okay, region set this dot key. So if that's null, db regions dot this dot key to
Live stream must have died or something.
highest y value in.
Isn't that the lowest?
Yes. The lowest y value in Minecraft. Okay. That's 320. Alright, and then the third will be. You should make these block locations.
You can just make a function that converts a block location to a number tuple.
What's a
I think I actually have one of those on my GitHub. It's like where it predefines exactly which types are where in an array.
Right,
so 3 numbers would be a tuple.
A number tuple. So that's like the actual name for it?
Mm-hmm. Technically just called a tuple. I just call it a number tuple.
Like that? Number tuple. And that makes a tuple is a finite order list of elements.
Yep, finite order of elements.
I'm gonna make a special type for
that. Block location chords.
Number tuple. Array. Number. How do I even define? Can you even type define an array?
Yeah, that's what that does. JavaScript notices it as a tuple.
How would I even type
You
to
wouldn't
find an
use like
array?
the array. You wouldn't do an array with the generic. You would do like the actual array symbols, number.
I guess can't do that.
Alright.
Okay. All right. So static return. So see if you can return a region or null.
It'd be undefined. Yeah, same things. Doesn't really matter.
Oh, const region equals this. If not region, turn.
Huh?
Oh, get all regions already returns. I'm dumb. Yeah, get all
I'm really
region.
confused with what you were doing.
Yeah, I was, cause I thought get all regions return this for a second, and I just realized it doesn't. Okay, yeah, so that works. That's pretty simple. All right, so now I can make a manager in here for region, and we'll do. So there's many different events it's gonna have to like protect against, right? So world
Yeah.
dot
Item
events
used on and block break are the main ones.
before
There's also
item use on.
explosion. Yeah, that's how you cancel block placing.
Let's do block break first, or block place.
How do you
Be
cancel
easy.
block placing?
You set there.
But
Oh, you don't
how do
even
you
need
get
to
the item
use
back?
that because we can just do before. Yeah, before item use on.
Yep, that's how everyone cancels it.
Yeah, data. Okay, and so what are we doing?
Just do data cancel equals true. Simple as that. But we would want to check if the
If
block location that the item was used on is in the world guard area.
if region dot block location in region data dot
Block location.
block location. If it's not, then we will return, and then if it is, data dot cancel equals true. That's pretty simple. Let's see if it works.
I wonder if you can use math stuff the same way in JavaScript as you can C. I'm gonna go check that actually.
Okay, so that did I even create the region command? Yeah, I did. From X to from Z to X to Z.
Wait a minute.
Let's
There's something.
reload
Can't
that
you
and then
use
it
your?
should create a region.
Can't you use the type definitions in JavaScript for that command handler?
I don't even know.
We can do a type definition and put all the properties in, and have that parameter be of type key of, and then that type definition.
I don't even know.
Here, let me show you what I mean.
Alright, let's do
I'll give you an
email
example in
show coordinates true.
TypeScript.
Alright, let's create a region from right here. So 139 to 113. Oops, 113 to I was thinking of using slash region. What is it? No, volume area before with this. For regions?
Volume area?
Yeah, the volume area command. Alright, so I created a region. Does not work.
Is
Does
it
this
imported?
manager even being ran? Console.warm. Okay. Oh, I don't think I'm using. Wait.
You have it imported.
Yeah, it's being ran. Okay.
I mean, something's wrong with your little block location thing.
Yeah, so.
Either that or you just don't have a region there. I don't know.
Yeah, was it even created? Let's see.
Who joined? They left.
Alright, yeah, so there's one there's one created right now. Oh, what is that? That is I don't think that's what it's supposed to look like. Oh, because reaching chords is being wait. No.
Isn't that like an array? Not an object?
Oh, did I do something weird? I think I did something with the region command.
Go to your region command. Yeah, you inputted an object, not an array.
Oh, yeah. Wait, no.
Man, how can you see his stream? It's so blurry.
Good question. I don't know. Yeah, you did input an object. You're supposed to input an array, right? Or am I
No,
being
it's supposed to
stupid?
be this.
Okay.
Okay, that's what it was supposed to be. I think.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah, it was supposed to be that. So let me clear the DB.
All right.
I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be that. Dash DB clear. Okay. Dash reload. Okay. Alright, now it's an empty array, so we need to create the region again. Oh, there we go. It's working now. Perfect. Let's see if we reload the game. Yep. So you cannot place in that region. You can place right out there though. That's perfect.
Guess you can just make a block break for it.
Alright, so what else do we need? Block break?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can still break right there. Alright, so world.events.block break. Subscribe data.
Can you import the container locations for the index?
Yes. Yeah, so we're gonna have to use that. Because this one's gonna be a bit complicated. More complicated. Alright, so if that
Is
not
data.block
return-
location a thing?
Probably not. Data dot
Block.location.
There we go. Alright. Now that's found that, so that means we need to cancel the thing now. So let me just go to my let me go to my nuker, because it will do it. Give me all the stuff I need. Alright, so we need to set back that, and if it's a block container, also kill the dropped items. So let's copy it back all that.
You need to make data to deconstruct it. Dimension block.
What else is he using?
What else?
Is he using dimension?
Yeah, it's using dimension. Is there not going to be a staff bypass or something?
Oh, we will need that.
I mean, you have to import player as well.
If player dot, I do need like a test staff function. That would be cool. Is staff, because then I can just change how staff works between like all the modules.
You can just object assign the prototype of the player class, I guess.
We don't have types for it. That's the only reason I hate doing that.
Well then, like you just said, make a function that just tests if player staff or not. You
See,
do
I
have a
think
util.js.
we're just testing that.
Aren't you gonna make a dynamic property for that though?
Yeah, I'm gonna redo the whole staff system. I don't like it. It's a source. Yeah. Alright, so that is pretty good. We need to import SA. Alright, player has that tag. Everything working here? Container locations. Needs to be imported. Okay, that's all good. Damn, we should have chest inventories done now too. That's crazy. Entity. Quarry options. Okay.
Say Corey?
Did I even import?
Just ain't working.
What the heck?
Did you spell it right or something?
It's literally.
Yeah.
What the heck? Alright.
Uh,
It's imported.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't want to say it's imported though. Alright. That
Probably
looks good. Let's test it. So we can't. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it's the area over here. Wait, no, it's over here. What happened?
Is your database clear or something?
Oh, because I have the staff tag. Okay. I've done that so many times. Oh, okay, so it doesn't work. What's wrong here?
Does your database have it? Like, is it breaking or something? Also, why are you importing from Minecraft 3 different times?
Oh, yeah.
It was a genius.
What is wrong with VS Code, bro? What are they doing? Why does it say I'm not using this? I need to restart my VS Code.
Oh, I remember why. I remember why. The new types updated. That's why your anti-nuke is probably not even working anymore. Because entity query options is no longer a class, it's an interface.
What?
So you do dimension.get entities, and then you put in an object where the max
So this
distance is
doesn't
2.
work right here?
No, because it's not a class, it's an interface.
What?
Yeah, they changed that, I remember.
Dude, that breaks so many things.
That definitely does.
It's a what now? Interface? What? So how do you use it?
Like I just said, go to your code. Oh, never mind, it's right there. Nope,
This is
never mind.
probably out of date.
That's definitely outdated.
Okay.
Go to VS Code.
Okay.
Remove the queue in dimension.get entities and replace it with an object. At the bottom, dimension.get
Oh.
entities.
Okay. Remove the queue.
Make an object there. Max distance.
Oh.
See?
I like that though.
It's like that now.
I like that though.
I do too.
I hated how it worked. I hate how they did all that shit. It was so just stupid, and you can't like one line anything. What also pisses me off is locations and block locations. I mean, I get why they're separate, but it's just so annoying.
They should make a bunch of things where it's like, oh, it's only location to be both location and block location, you know?
It's just dumb. Okay, so I need this now. Wait, but why is that one not working up there? Oh, it's just because probably you can't even import this. It's just breaking the file.
TypeScript thing.
Yeah, TypeScript would tell me.
And it still doesn't work. Let's go.
Oh, that's the staff tag. I'm dumb.
Oh my
That was
fuck.
the wrong. That was the wrong tag.
Block locations. Block locations?
Oh, block containers. I can import that.
You already had it imported. No, never mind, you're working.
All right, let's see if chest stuff works.
You should really fix the performance. Goddamn.
Dude, what am I gonna fix in there? It's literally
The fact
2
that he's maybe
ms.
with a single person online.
All right, so we gotta wait for that. Now I don't get the particles. I can't see when it saves. That's the only reason I was like. All right,
Let's break it
now. Oh.
Oh. Just go.
Oh, I have staff tag.
Are you
Okay.
But why did the items still get deleted? A little suspicious.
I can't even open up the stupid.
Why do you
chest.
keep getting staff tag?
All right, you think it'll work?
Maybe.
Ooh, I can't even see it though. Oh, it worked. All right, perfect. So that might be. So we need to do like a permissions thing for this now, because we don't want to disable all before item use events. Because like, let's say you want this region where they can use containers, they can use blah blah blah, but you also want another
What if they
region where
shift
they can't use
click?
containers.
But if they shift click on a container, they can place the block.
Oh my gosh, bro. They can what?
Shift click on a container to place a block. If you disable 4 item use on the block,
Oh, I need to move my.
see, now you can't do it. But if you remove it for a chest and you shift click on the chest, you can then place blocks.
You mean? Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
So how could we do some type of permission thing?
Best thing I can think of is to do some math with the block face and just set any block. Nope, that wouldn't work. Well, I don't know. Don't really know.
Okay, yeah, 'cause that's a big thing that needs to be done. Because permissions is, people need to be able to open up chests. People need to be able to do stuff in a region.
Yeah, that's true.
Your nice performance, bro.
You know, we could just make this thing always just set deny blocks like every like 200 ticks. Just set deny blocks below the region.
Can you open chests with deny blocks?
Yeah, you can open up chests. But it would stop anyone from breaking or destroying. Yeah, so that we don't even need those 2 events at all.
Just set everyone in adventure mode. Easy fix. It's not even a bad idea though.
Hey, but yeah. Also, that would remove all this like code right here if we just used deny blocks.
Alright, person in general, is there a way to change the ban message? I don't even know how your ban system works. Let me go figure that out.
Me?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna actually do that. So we don't even need any of that junk.
Ban.
Bro, import worlds. What's going on?
I'm just so
Oh.
you can change these right after
Stupid types are always broken.
I'm banned.
World dot. No,
What is
okay.
broadcast client message? I've never seen that before.
You're love broadcast. Oh, I think that's like
It's a
it
new
sends a
I think
type.
message in your chat.
that's new from the new types
Yeah.
thing. Forgot.
But
I don't
I
think I've
bet no, I
updated
think
mine.
it sends a message in your chat. Broadcast client message. That's probably that.
I think that's exactly what it does.
I
I've
know,
just never
right?
seen it.
Isn't
Yeah,
that
there we go. I
crazy?
see it now. Never knew that's. Why is there an ID? You do world dot broadcast client message and there's some ID thing.
All right.
What are you doing?
Essay dot.
Doesn't that stand for like sexual assault or something?
What?
SA, you know?
What?
What? Oh my god, he's right though.
Yeah, if
Okay.
you want to censor yourself on YouTube, you say SA, man.
All right. So every 300 ticks is gonna set deny blocks below the region. And that'll be good.
I'm genuinely wondering though, why don't you just do adventure mode, you know?
Because you can still break stuff. If we set people
You can
adventure
break
mode
things
when
in.
they enter the claim. Yeah, how are you even gonna do that? When are you talking about when they enter the claim?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And it
so
set them to the game mode they were whenever they leave.
can't they just stand outside the claim and then break stuff inside of it?
That's why you keep like that block break thing.
What if there's a chest outside of the thing?
Alright, you
Like,
know what? How about you stop being smart, alright?
oh,
That's a great idea, I think.
oh, okay.
How about you don't let people inside your world and it is not a problem then?
Oh yeah, that worked. That worked. That worked. Forgot about that.
What's the what? I'm sorry.
Why is my fucking types not working? Oops. Why is my
I
types
don't know.
not working? I didn't say that.
Oh,
Okay.
recording? Literally live sharing?
I'm
Or live
literally
streaming?
live streaming. Okay, region.js. Region
How
dot.
to make a chat event messages?
Get all regions. Alright. Then for each region.
You should really start using for loops, like your normal for loops.
Why do you want me to use for loops?
It's a lot faster.
Can't I just use
It's
for
called being
each?
normal. It's called being normal if you use the for loop. Whatever instead of whatever you're doing.
That's kind of true.
Alright.
Your con master did like 5 tests with for loops, for of loops, and for each loops, and
Man, I
for
ain't good
they're like
at
a
crap.
lot faster than all the other ones. Here, let me just DM you
Oh,
it.
so that means I'm gonna need to save the dimension. You know, I probably should have done that. Saving dimension's a very important thing.
Wait, were you not saving dimension?
No, it's not.
This is reminding me of making a Discord bot. Like, you always think about the one guild that you're in, and then when you try to add it to another guild, everything just breaks.
Okay, dimension is need to be saved because that's a big problem. String dimension.
String? Oh, yeah. I'm so sorry.
All right,
By the way, why do you have string as uppercase? Why do you use uppercase for all the negative types?
it's an interface.
Everyone uses downcase, lowercase. Like
Oh,
everyone uses lowercase. You're weird.
I didn't even know that. Yeah, this is dimension. All right.
Why are you doing
So
this?
that means I need to
dimension?
switch up this thing too, right? Oh.
Oh, you'd have to do like block location, comma dimension.
Yeah, so you need to pass the dimension too. Should I make it the dimension class or dimension ID?
ID.
ID. All right.
Even if you have the dimension class, you can just do dimension ID. Also, are the IDs going to be like Minecraft overworld or just overworld?
Whatever the ID is of the dimension. Does that even
So
make sense?
Minecraft overworld. The end dimension is weird. Why is it
So I need to
Minecraft the
filter
end without?
these two.
Well, you don't have to filter. That just makes you loop through it twice, making it a lot slower. Just do find where region.dimension.id is equal to dimension and that, you know? So it's all in one loop. Not dimensions equal to dimension and And you're done.
All right, I like that better.
It also makes you look like a much bigger nerd.
All right, now I need to go out to commands and send the region into, dimension in here too. So player ct player sender dot dimension dot id. Oh, now I also need to change this in here. The constructor. Okay. No, I also need to change. Oh no, that's good. All right. Now I can mess with this.
Finally, let's go.
All right. So world dot get dimension region dot dimension dot
Alright. Never mind.
run
I'm sorry.
command. Should I do? Yeah, I'll do. Yeah, run command. So I can use the fill. Wait, no, because there could be some regions that are used more.
What?
Some regions could be bigger than the fill. The fill limit.
Why are you doing the fill limit?
I'm
Why not
not.
just feel
That's
like
what I'm changing.
denies like 15 by 15 blocks under the player?
Wait,
Since they won't
so
even
I'm
be-
checking if they're in a region, and then
And then if so, put like a bunch of denies.
why don't I
But
just
at the same
cover the
time, if
entire
they're like,
region with denies?
I don't know, pretty ugly, no? Go on.
Well, you can't even see it. It replaces the bedrock at -64. Wait, what should I do?
What you're gonna do? Put the denies under it. This
Okay.
feels less like a region, more like slash fill.
Hold up. What am I doing?
Have you seen what I DM'd you?
I don't care. How much faster is it? Like, not even an MS, like a point zero 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 zero
Check,
zero zero
check,
zero.
check, check, check.
Whoa!
lot faster than you think.
4 is that slow? Are you
Mhm.
serious?
Doing it in C++.
Wait, so what's the difference
like,
between these tests though?
word type thing.
Why is there test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5?
Well, it's because you're doing multiple tests to see if like this MS isn't a fluke.
Yeah, you can't have that is way too big differences.
Well, ask Master then.
He
He
needs
did
to test this like a 200 times to make an average. That's not even reliable.
Well, to make a for loop on the for loops. Here, I'll do
Yeah.
that actually.
He needs to test that at least 200 times to get an average, because that's just not good.
Well, it's 5 times. Good enough. Let me go check.
5 times, bro. It's nothing.
That's all the effort I know you would put in.
Yeah, but I didn't.
Yeah,
I didn't
stop
do
arguing.
that. I didn't do that.
Stop arguing right now.
But
Alright.
I'm pretty sure, yeah, 4 lists are probably faster.
4.
But I know 4 each was faster than 4 of. Well, I guess that makes sense.
I'm gonna loop, yeah, like you said, 200 times.
4 is definitely faster. It's just because it uses index based, so it's
Right.
way faster. But
Test values equals.
you also have to
Okay.
code more with 4 loops.
Hmm. Here, I should probably do this in TypeScript to make this a lot easier. As array.
Region dot from dot x to -64. Region dot from dot y. No, z. Why is there even a y in there? Uh-oh.
Wants test values equals array as number array. Oh my god.
I don't think I used Y anywhere. Where'd it get that from?
Why do you have a Y?
I don't know, but it's giving me a Y in my TypeScript. I mean, in my type.
TypeScript?
Yeah, why am I getting a Y? That's weird.
Great question. You figure it out. I'm too lazy. Const start equals state dot now. We're gonna have const test array equals array for let I equal. No, we're gonna have this test array have like 100 values. Test array dot publish. This is gonna either break my Visual Studio Code or it's gonna take like 7 years. Full wait. Whatever that is.
I have a question.
Yeah.
How do I make a thing for whenever a player joins, it's sent in a different message?
Huh?
Like when you join the game, right?
Yeah.
Or the world, it tells you that you have joined the world.
Yeah.
I think the Minecraft does that for you already, bro. Yeah, but how do I make it say it a different way?
That requires a resource pack link.
That's a texture pack, bro. Oh, really? Yeah. I thought that's something that had to do with the. No. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Yeah, it's like the language files. You just change like the little text or whatever you want.
I feel like a for each loop would actually be faster than for loop.
Now you're telling me it's gonna be faster, bro.
No, I'm saying this is what I'm thinking because
I really wrote it all in this stupid for I loop.
Shut the fuck up. This is what I'm thinking. Because the for each loop, wouldn't it be running in like if JavaScript was made by in C++, wouldn't the for each loop have the for loop actually be running in C++? Make the normal for loop running in JavaScript?
What is he talking about? What's this guy talking about?
I'm doing this for screw your stupid for.
Okay, fine. You do for of. Let me make these tests. It's taking me 7 years.
Stupid for I. It makes me write so much more for no reason.
You literally have Visual Studio Code to do it for you. What are you complaining about?
I don't want to do it.
But just download GitHub Copilot. It'll write the code for you.
Literally.
Alright, I think 300 ticks might be too fast. Let's run up like 500. It doesn't even. It really only needs to load once, so we really don't even need that fast. Alright, should it run like every 5 minutes? You think it should reload the blocks? I think that's fair. Every 5 minutes it reloads the blocks?
Sure.
Alright, so there's 20 ticks in each second. Multiplied by 60 seconds in each minute. Multiplied by 5 minutes is 6,000 ticks. Okay.
Quick math.
Alright.
How do you not know off the top of your head that 1,200 ticks is a minute?
Bro.
How do you not know that out of the top of your head?
Bro, there's other stuff in his head.
I don't understand.
It's taking the space.
Taking the space. I feel like this might be too much code for this. Don't you think? Here, look at this. I feel like it might be slow.
Seriously, this is literally just a /fill command, alright? What are you doing?
No, because I can't use /fill. I can't use /fill.
Why not?
Because if I did, what if someone makes a region that's bigger than the /fill like size? Like
or if it's out of your simulation distance.
Yeah, that too.
What if you do the same thing you did with your world edit and just split it every 32,767 blocks?
Well,
yeah, why don't you do that?
But I don't really need to do that.
Oh my fuck.
And it's also be slower because I'm using commands.
How the hell would it be slow? You're looping 32,760 times when you could run a single command.
But that means that command has to
How
loop.
is
That command has to do the same thing.
in C++, not JavaScript?
True.
Which one's faster?
Probably the command.
I'm still trying the test.
The command would be faster?
Yeah, because JavaScript's
Well,
ass.
yeah, totally do. No, JavaScript's pretty good, but like the
No,
command's still
JavaScript's horrible. JavaScript's a language that Indian people use, so scamming stuff.
Indian people.
Okay.
What?
Okay. I mean, he's not wrong.
Do I
Yes,
even
I know,
have my
right.
world? What is my world edit pack?
I don't know.
I think I have it in here. I need that function to split the regions. Should I actually do that?
What the hell is that
Is that even
license
fast?
pack
Is that even
icon
fast?
manifest.json thing?
I don't even know.
What is that?
This world edit actually was pretty good. I'm gonna go cap. You can't lie. It was
Looks like
actually
it took you 7 years. Oh my god, what is that?
7 years.
Yes.
Where's my function I'm looking for?
So, do you not have a util or something?
I guess not.
Find your set command,
Where would it be?
and then just
Oh, it would, yeah, it would be in the world edit builder. Fill between. Oh, is it cuboid split? Yeah, so I'm splitting a cuboid. Dude, I really never understood this function. I still don't even know how to do it.
if I'm gonna be
I'm
real,
not understanding your own code. That's crazy.
No, because I didn't even write this. I could never.
If I'm gonna be
I could
real-
never figure out how it works.
you looped 3 times, and like what?
I don't get it. I really don't get it.
Oh my.
I try to do it myself. Like I was literally in school like fucking trying to figure out how to split a fucking cuboid.
It's
I was trying to figure out how to split a cuboid, and I just couldn't do it. So I just asked tons of people, and it took forever for me to figure this out.
nerd.
Yeah, quote unquote figured out. You still haven't though.
I literally could not figure it out. I didn't even do this. I didn't even make this. But should I even use it? Is there a point? This is doing way more code than just looping through each block. Is it not?
It's faster though.
There's no way it's faster. Because think it's running all this code for each region instead of me just looping through every block.
You're also looping twice in a loop. Looping all X's, Y's, and Z's, and it looks like
Move it.
if you're gonna
No.
do that, why not just loop through like all of them and like I don't
You're
know,
looping,
push
like,
every single one to an array until the
5
length
times.
is like 32,000, and then just like push that array into another array.
You're looping
Like-
6 times in this.
I don't know what I'm saying anymore, if I'm being honest.
What is
I'm not
Bedrock
gonna use that.
dedicated servers? That's a Bedrock dedicated server. Is a Bedrock dedicated server. That's what that is. Isn't that crazy?
I was hoping there was a little bit more
Oh, Anthony
specific
Claris just joined the
details.
Legends. What up,
Look,
Anthony?
a Bedrock dedicated server is a Bedrock dedicated server.
That's it. There's nothing
We got one
That's
new member. We got one new member on the
very
Legends.
specific.
What else do you want me
My
to say?
God,
I mean,
God,
it's,
there's
it's just a
speed got
Minecraft server.
reduced. That's so hot.
Oh well, I'm just gonna leave it as not set.
It's just a Minecraft server.
I need to buy.
It's not that
I
complicated.
need to buy some better Wi-Fi. What should I buy? Like, I actually need to get some better Wi-Fi.
You should go to a Wi-Fi store. They'll
No,
sell you some good Wi-Fi
My
there.
Wi-Fi sucks so bad. I probably should get Ethernet. Just,
Well, Ethernet's not really a Wi-Fi, but okay.
well, I mean, like, I just need better like internet connection. Mine's so slow.
Well, Ethernet's probably not going to help you unless your Wi-Fi is like 1 bar or something.
Huh.
Would it not?
Test flight.
No, you just need better Wi-Fi in general.
Like you need like go to your company, right? Like your ISP or whatever, and be like, oh, give me better Wi-Fi or something.
Just hand it over.
And what over? What are you talking about?
The better Wi-Fi.
No, well, I mean, I don't think they would hand it over. They'd probably just upgrade your Wi-Fi or whatever somehow, with little magic tools or whatever.
I probably gotta do that. Okay. Should I test if this works? Yeah.
Console.log 4
I'm gonna put this at like 100
is
ticks.
not 0.
So is player joining and stuff like that is in text?
Well, it's in a resource pack, and then look in the language files, and then you can just change it to whatever you want.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta clear the DB. Make it.
Oh god, time to test this. It only took 29
I should know
minutes
that.
to
Think
start.
about it. Isn't there like a player join event or something?
There is, but it's bad.
That was bad. Okay.
Cannot
Oh.
read properties of undefined reading push. How the hell can you not read? Oh yeah.
They need a death event. For some reason, they don't have a death event. Like that. Like, come on, man.
I know.
They're
I
lacking,
don't know
bro.
why they don't have that.
It's really simple to make one though.
And then they need to add a enchantment method or something. Like, come on, bro.
They already do.
Oh, they do. What is that? What's it called? Yeah.
It's
No.
get the enchantments component. Get the
No, but I wanna
enchantment.
but I wanna add an enchantment to my item or whatever. You know
Yeah,
what I
that's
mean?
exactly what I'm talking about. Get the enchantments component of the item. Get the enchantments list. Use the add enchantment method, and then set the item back.
Watch. How do I not know about this? Wow.
Oh, look, it works.
Oh my god.
We got regions working. Oh, okay, that's working.
Block location outside of world bounds, bro.
What does
Oh
that
my
even
god,
mean?
I'm so disappointed in you. Fuck you.
Why is he even
I
saying?
think it's because you're trying to like execute something outside of the world bounds. Oh my
But
god.
look, when I go
Why
above
is
the
it
world, it won't say
going
that.
immediately?
Wait. Where's it even filling?
It's
Bro,
trying to fill
is
under.
for loop
I think.
async or something? What the fuck?
Dude, it's impossible for it to be under. It's literally negative 64.
Oh.
What's going on?
That's weird.
Actually,
Man.
I'm doing a stupid thing. 0, 0, 0.
But it's literally still working though. Like what? You know, I can make this every time a player joins. That would be good. Wait, actually, would that be good?
wait, what is it?
Make this fill every time a player joins.
Is
I
it
don't know.
filling? What is it for?
I think it's like a world protection, like line protection. I think I don't know what he's trying to do.
Oh,
Yeah. I'm just gonna have to try catch because I don't want to deal with that error.
Or I love try catch.
Right. Didn't TriCast only
Oh,
work if
yeah, no,
the
it's still
methods
telling me
actually?
error.
Yeah, it's
Or
because
hates you.
don't you use a wait? It's a scripting error.
I'm literally not filling outside. It's impossible.
It's because the reason that the try catch isn't working is because the try catch only stops it whenever you do like throw new error, not whenever you do console.error. You know.
Oh yeah. But why is look why is this throwing an error?
Probably try
Because
negative 63.
it's outside of your simulation distance.
No.
It is.
Oh, what? I thought that
Wait, what?
looks like it's not though.
Oh yeah, it doesn't look like it. Why is it saying that then?
Cause it's working.
oops! I didn't even open
I
that.
wonder how many milliseconds it's taken.
Bro, just try negative 63, and if it's not doing that with negative 63, that's a Mojang problem, Mojang brain issue.
Yeah, man.
Mojang brain this shit. I'm sorry for my weird laugh.
Let's see if it was Mojang brain issue.
I think it was. Is it complaining still?
No, it's still
Oh, never mind. Maybe it's a you issue. Maybe it's a you brain issue.
probably.
Alright, so it's being kind of.
We're just gonna log the Y's and see if I'm getting a Y
stupid.
below.
Alright, so far, it looks like normal for loop is the fastest.
Why am I getting negative 604?
Hell if I know.
What?
That's your ball.
Why am I? Oh.
What?
I literally just have a random 604. Let's see if this works. No, but it's still saying that. What the heck?
Bro.
Bro.
Let me put it at like 10,000. No, 1,000.
There's no way it's taking that short of a time, bruh. I'm doing something wrong, ain't I?
That is not no 1,000 ticks.
Was JavaScript screwing up right now?
Yeah.
Seems like it's screwing us both over right now.
Maybe we're just both dumb. Have you thought of it like that?
Someone's not working right.
Nah, I've only been doing this for 3 months. I can't be that dumb. I've been doing JavaScript actually.
What's going on? Why is it saying add a world border? But it's